So we're in Plymouth and we're down at where the Mayflower left Plymouth for the New World in 1620. And it's pouring rain. Do you think it's pouring rain when the Mayflower left here? 6th of September? Where does it say that? So is that when the first boat left here? The Mayflower one left here. So it left here on these stairs. So I take it these stairs here? So that's just a viewing platform. So or was it these stairs there? There's two sets of stairs.
But this is your last major port before North America.
Yeah.
Which is why it left from here.
So it left from here.
Yeah.
So the pilgrims left from here to head out there to the New World, to North America.
And now you can't even swim it. If you go all the way to America, you can't even go swimming now.
There's a bit of rubbish in it. So I take it this arch is fairly new. This wasn't probably here.
Yeah, this is to
Oh, this is a memorial arch. It's called what?
the
Tory. Alright, here's so this is the viewing platform really. Not the day. I've not got my passport with me. From America? Doesn't look American to me. It's a big bit wet. Hello there. We've stopped off. We're just passing through Dorchester in rural Dorset here, and we've stopped off at this place called Poundbury. It's not the same as Poundland. This is, how do you explain it? It's
like a movie set.
It's like a fake village.
Yeah.
It looks strange. All the buildings look old, but they're new.
So it's a Duchy of Cornwall's estate.
Yeah.
So it was Prince Charles that created it, King Charles.
Yeah.
He's behind it, isn't he? But like you say, it's really,
It's
like an American movie set that you've just kind of dropped into.
Yeah, there's like no yellow lines, there's no park machines, well, not that I can see.
Hardly any people, but loads of houses.
Loads of buildings, but very few people. It seems we've been here once before, and it was completely dead. But there is a few more people around today, so we're going to go out and show you around here. But it just is a sort of weird feeling about it when you drive in, that it's just a fake place where nothing happens. But we'll go and see. So we're going to investigate and let you see it.
Isn't it? Like Spanish architecture? Yeah.
Yeah. So this is the original Poundbury farmhouse. Must be the original building that was stood here before they've redeveloped the whole area. It's super strange, isn't it?
This feels English.
Yeah, it feels natural.
That's English and natural. That.
Everything else feels just really fake.
Yeah.
Yeah, it just feels really fake, doesn't it?
It feels really fake, but I don't know why they would make it like that. Like, why would Charles's vision for creating a town be this?
Make a new town, but make it old. Don't know.
Really odd.
But what I do like is the fact there's no parking restrictions, no W lines, no park meters. The rest of England, take note. We're not used to paying for parking every time we stop.
Maybe we just need King Charles to get involved with the rest of England and he'll stop the parking.
I think he is quite involved.
Aye, but I mean to stop the parking.
Oh, stop the parking. I'll write to him, maybe send him an email next week. Right, let's go. Plenty of tanker trucks here, filled with chocolate, I take it.
The smell. You smell the chocolate, can't you?
Well, they can't smell it.
No, they can't, but you can. You imagine like, what, you know the smell of chocolate and it's just so strong.
Very strong, the chocolate smell here. Wonder why.
Be sweet to each other.
This large plate glass window, so that my customers could see the samples of tea, coffee and cocoa nibs that I prepared myself.
In 1919, we merged with Fry, and the company went from strength to strength.
And so we have seen that big things have their roots in the smallest beginnings.
enjoy the Cadbury magic.
Cadbury's car.
We're on a kid's car, mate.
Look, he's driving. They're both in the back.
In the back seat. We've gone through all of this for you, so don't forget to subscribe, follow, and hit the like button.
And ring the bell.
Ring the bell. Look at that one.
They didn't waste any chocolate because it was so expensive, so they tried to use all of it up.
So that no matter how many times you experience it, it is what does that mean? What do you think?
Delicious Cadbury's Roses chocolates, all over some convenient ones, not roses of sweet
Live, let's go bananas for my furry friend who needs no introduction. Now this is one of my favorite tunes.
Another bag.
How did you find that?
Oh my god, that was, I mean, it's a lot of money to go in, but it's brilliant. The staff, everything, you know, every part of it was amazing. Staff were amazing. We got a whole bag of chocolate free.
How much was it for two of us? About 40...
46 48 pounds something?
Something like that.
Yeah.
And then you spent probably about the same again in the shop.
Yeah, it's probably cost about £100
Just
in
for
Cadbury's today. But listen, it's you're doing it once.
Yeah, it's great.
Once every 7 years.
Great experience. So yeah, so it's a fantastic a day out, afternoon out, whatever. But we thoroughly enjoyed it. So
now we just need to get all the way back home to Scotland.
That's it. Right, let's go on the road. Might have went a little bit crazy in the shop. These are really unusual chocolate bars, not seen these before. I got a mug, I got a bottle opener, and these, what they was like a £5, weren't they?
They were a £5.
So we just got three.
So we got 3.
So that's our Cadbury's haul. Okay, so we're stopped at T-Bay Services in the Lake District. It's 20 past 9. So we're about, what, 2 hours roughly to get us home from here. So we'll sign this video off here. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the content, please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
See you later. Bye.
Bye.